Hey, what's up everybody? Sir Cardinal back with another video. Welcome to Ontario. This snowfall just started like 10 minutes ago. And look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is crazy. Not even 10 minutes. And this street is already full of snow. This is supposed to happen until 8 o'clock tonight. And then we're going to get rain. Rain. This is really messed up weather. So I don't know if I'm going to be streaming tonight, guys. I might try. But 8 o'clock, Philadelphia, Boston. Then 10:30, Golden State, Utah. But like I said, I don't know, man. This weather is messed up. Swirling winds. Snow's blowing in my face. Just right over there. Right over there. There's a mini tornado. A mini tornado. And it's coming into my face now. I'm the only idiot out here walking. It is freezing here today. My son doesn't have school. And here comes the snow into my face. Holy moly. I can hardly breathe. This scarf is too much. But yeah, I'm the only idiot out here walking in this snow. Making a video for you guys down south in California, Florida. This is Canadian weather. Can you handle this? Could you guys handle this weather? Holy hell. I'm gonna get sucked away. And I'm doing this. God damn. Alright. This is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. But never mind. Here comes a brave soul. He's walking right in front of me. Alright. The only thing I don't like about this weather, people don't know how to drive. They really don't. But yeah, they don't know how to drive. But I'm just afraid later when it rains that the ice will form on the streets, sidewalks, roads. Maybe the wires will get froze. So like I said, I don't know if I'm going to be able to stream tonight, but I'm definitely going to try. Oh, my kid doesn't have school today. He's excited. He's already awake. Didn't want to come with me. I wanted to bring him, but he was like, no, I don't want to go outside. So I was like, all right, cool. Fine, don't. But yeah, guys, just wanted to show you the weather here today. Looks absolutely great. Car's trying to back up into me now. Doesn't think I'm going this way, but he's wrong. All right, guys, I am home, but I just wanted to show you the lovely weather of Ontario, Canada. So yeah, guys, this is great. I'm not gonna lie, but we'll see how it is later on today. It's gonna get worse. It's gonna be snowing all day, just like this, all day, 100%, 100%, all the way up until 8. All right, that was fun. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Cardinal out. Boom. Happy February 12th, 2019. Bye. How do I turn this off? It's frozen. It literally is.